Hey guys, this is Lynn from Pepper Peas. Today I have a OfficeSupply.com haul. I was sitting out there the other day and I said, okay, let me look out here and see what might be new. And naturally, stuff is what it is. But I meant new to my interest for the moment. And so I ended up getting one of these, a very festive fair from Tonic Studios. Now, a while back, I had purchased the embossing folder, not realizing it was the embossing folder to this set. So I said, let me go ahead and get this because I've been very pleased with the rustic rose, the frosted rose, and the vintage vignettes from Tonic Studios. So I said, let me go ahead and get this and see how it may fare out. This is something I have grown to really appreciate about Tonic Studios. This is the cover, but you're still getting good usage out of it because it has these beautiful tags that you can cut out whenever you decide you want to. So you're getting 3 sheets within each set. This is pretty. I like this a lot. I really do. I love also the quality of the paper. You know, I always say that, right? This reminds me, I don't know how many people remember this show. This kind of puts me in the mind of Little House on the Prairie. When I was a little girl, I used to watch it with my mother. And so I just think this is really it's cute. It's just cute. And then this is this is the embossing folder that I got. No, it doesn't have, yellow and all that. But the images on here are why I ended up getting this, because I realized this was part of this. This is nice. Oh, this is sweet. Look. This is so sweet. I like this. This is pretty. These are cute. Oh, this is so nice. I like the fact that they're double-sided too. This is nice. A lot of times if you watch me on my videos, you hear me say something is nice. I'm saying it because it is. Oh, wow. The beauty of cute little holly strings just never, I don't know. No, are these mistletoes? I have no idea. I think this is mistletoe. Is this mistletoe? This is mistletoe. If it's not, one of you will be kind and gentle and let me know. This is really sweet. Isn't that cute? That is so cute. And although this is an 8x8, we're only missing like 4 inches from each side for being a 12x12. Did I get a duplicate there? Hold on, did I get a duplicate? We're only missing like 4 inches from it being a 12x12. Okay, so here's what I noticed in this pack. So you get 2 of this, but then they have different backings. This looks like it's like a little glowing. You know what? Later on this evening, I'm going to see if these glow. Nice, the foil. Duplicate backing. Duplicate backing. Duplicate backing. Okay. In this packet, there are 36 sheets. This is worth the money. I think I got this for like $3 and some cents. This is worth it to me. To go along with the 8x8, I went ahead and got the 12x12. So I'm not going to take and cover this because I just covered the 8x8. So we pretty much know what's in here. Oh, this is sweet. This is cute. This is cute. But this is the set, okay? Here's something else I have been looking at this. I was eyeballing it. And I said, yeah, I don't know if I want to get this. But I have grown to have a serious appreciation for 49 and Markets products. I went ahead and got the Academia package. Naturally, you can see what they are here, but I'm going to open this. I have been very pleased with their products. And, you know, I'm not the only crafter. You guys know what they've been doing all along. But I just, oh, this is neat. This is neat. Okay, I'll come back to it, but that's neat. Here is the cover, the beautiful cover. I had no idea. You got 1, 2, 3 things you can do with this cover. Wow. Oh my goodness. This is nice. Really, this is nice. One, two, three, 4. Nice. And what I appreciate is that, oh look, here's the opposite. I don't call it the opposite. I don't know. Anyway, okay. Okay, I can see it though. But what I appreciate is the fact that at the bottom, for this little piece that we normally would have to cut off and just throw away, a lot of designers or paper companies are starting to help us make usage of. Just a little personal thought, and thank you. That is nice. I won't bore you with the quality of the paper because you know that it is of a wonderful quality. I like the fact that we have these geometric circles, and then you can, if you look at it, there's like the grid there too. I like that. This is nice. Cute. This is cute. I love Edison lights. Okay. 2 in 1. 2 in 1. Oh, this is nice. I just grown to have a true appreciation for a lot of different papers. Unfortunately, now that Joann's is no longer, we still are benefiting off of those papers, but you know, I think to some degree, it is forcing us to explore. Oh, this is nice. Oh, look, you see how that's on there? Look. It's forcing us to explore the beauty of so many other papers. And like I said, once again, some of you have already been knowing about this for a long time. This is nothing new to you, some of you, but I'm just saying the appreciation and growth of us as crafters and how we are able to get out here. This I like, and explore new things, or explore more things, put it to you like that. Explore more things. This is cute. These little cut aparts. Do the things you think you can't do. Wow. Believe in yourself. That is so important. Education is the most powerful weapon to change the world. You've got this. I don't care what you've got going on. You've got it, right? Live your best life. Let your dreams be your wings. Dream it. Believe it. Achieve it. Yes. Awesome. Yes, we are. Wow. Be so good they can't ignore you. Come on now. Come on. That's why people keep coming back to our wonderful YouTube channels, because you guys are so good, people cannot ignore it, right? Wow. Oh, I just love this. I just love this. And I love the ruler at the bottom. I love this. So I'm going to put this wonderful, I had to get that. I have several friends that are within the education field. And I think that this pad, it speaks to those that are in the education field if you want to do something for them. And it has a true, it can go either way. It can either be education or gentlemanlike, like that. But to go along with that, I got myself, no, I'm sorry. I thought I had this open, so I apologize for the rippling and raffling of the paper. I do. I got myself a set of the 49 and Market Academia washi sheets. Now, it's one full 6x12 sheet. You've got these strips. And here's the thing. These strips that we've seen along the perimeters of the corners of the paper are somewhat reflected in here. This is nice. This is nice. I like this. I like these rulers on here too. This is cute. This is adorable. I like that. I got myself a April and Ivy 6x8 paper pad. I purchased the 12x12. I'm learning, as we have multiple sizes, the 6x6 allows you to do a lot of different things. At the 12x12, we just have like a whole lot of scraps hanging around, which scraps are beautiful, don't get me wrong. But when you're trying to work on something really quick, or you're trying to just use bits and pieces of it, I am starting to realize that these 6x6s come in handy, and they really do help preserve paper pads a lot longer. Not that we're just supposed to be hoarding them, but I'm just saying they do. I got myself one of the 12x12 Storyline Heidi Swap project pads. One of the things I have come to enjoy about the project pads, yes, we get some of the 12x12 sheets. We're getting some regular sheets. This is really neat because we've got 2 glitter sheets in here. A foil sheet. Okay, this goes along with the notebook set where the black butterflies and all this are on the cover. Now I'm starting to figure out. Now I'm starting to understand which one this goes with, okay? And one of the things I like about this is it gives you the stickers in here too. So I've come to really understand the whole purpose of these project pads. You're getting the stickers, you're getting some regular cardstock sheets, you're getting some of the decorative sheets, and you're getting a couple of specialty papers. So I like this. So I went ahead and got this one. I got some 49 Market lavender frames. Yep, I did. You probably say, oh my goodness, why lavender? Well, spring is coming, right? Spring is coming. So I got some of these. Outre. I got some of these. Oh boy, these are cute. I like this. I like this a lot. These are neat. I got a pack of those. And I got myself a set of this washi stamp set. I think these are cute. I like these. So I like these a lot. These are cute. Took me a minute to open it, but these are cute. So this concludes my haul today from officesupply.com. If you haven't had an opportunity to take a look at them, I encourage you to do so. They always have some wonderful products with fabulous prices. No, they're not our Ollie's prices, but they are still really good prices with good products. And so whenever you have an opportunity, I just encourage you to go out there and take a look and see what they have. As always, this is Lynn from Paper Piece. I thank you so very much for taking the time to tune in and watch my channel and my videos. As always, I do want to encourage you and your families to stay safe, take care, and come back and see me again. Thanks so much.